Hi, I'm Gray Parks, equine specialist for Tennessee Farmers Cooperative, here with today's Co-op Minute on fly control for your horse. There are three main ways you can control flies on your horses: physical barriers, chemical barriers, and feed-throughs. Physical barriers like fly masks, fly sheets, and fly boots that protect your horse from bugs by keeping bugs off of the horse's face, not making contact, especially around the ears. You can also use chemical repellents to try to reduce the number of flies on your horse. That includes fly spray and spot-on products that tend to last about 10 to 14 days and are great for pastured horses for that reason. Feed-through products include insect growth regulators and repellents like garlic. For insect growth regulators to work properly, every horse on your property needs to be on that product. Thank you for joining us for today's Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.